Okay, so in part A it says who's in the lead during the first length of the race. Now, if you notice here, Michael, okay, is covering more distance, okay, in less time when compared to Jordan. Because if you think about it, 50 meters, Michael is covered after 40 seconds, whereas Jordan takes a little bit longer to get to 50 meters. Okay, so who's in the lead in the first half? Well, we can say Michael. Okay, because his distance is increasing at a faster rate, and we can see that by the gradient as well. Okay, because his the line here is actually steeper than Jordan's line. Okay, so we can even put that in there, steeper gradient. What was Michael's average speed for the first length of the race? Well, remember, to get average speed, it's just the total distance divided by total time. So the first length of the race is 50 meters, okay, in the pool, and that took 40 seconds, yeah? Okay, so to get to 50 meters, we're looking 40 seconds there. So if you work that out on your calculator, you get 1.25. It says give the unit in the answer, so we've got to appreciate we're covering meters, aren't we, in terms of seconds. So it's meters per second, okay? So if you want, you can write meters per second in full words if you want, or you can put it like that, meters per second. It's your choice. C then, for what length of time were Michael and Jordan swimming in opposite directions? This is, of course, if you think about a swimming pool, you swim 50 meters and then you swim back, okay? So 50 meters, it takes 40 seconds for Jordan, so for Michael to get to 50 meters, and then he turns back, doesn't he? So you can see then the distance starts to decrease in terms of how far he is from the starting position, but he turns back, okay, but Jordan is still swimming, isn't he, to 50 meters, so he doesn't get to 50 meters until that time there. So you just got to look at the gap between those times. So 40 there, and this is 48, I think, when you look on that scale. So 48, take away 40, 8 seconds. They're swimming in opposite directions for.